Rodri. Super ball to Mahrez, and Mahrez is onside, and it's Sterling. No, it's actually Dendoncker in front of Sterling. It's an own goal. Riyad Mahrez with a kind of ball you just cannot defend, and Dendoncker turns it in. Under pressure, and he's lost it, and João Cancelo, and now Jesus, and Mahrez. Jinking one way, goes the other, Laporte! 2-0! Aymeric Laporte. No, the flag's up. The flag's up, it won't count. It stays at 1. Oh my goodness, it's millimetres. Oh, wouldn't it be typical? Oh, and they have scored! Their first attempt, and Connor Cody levels it up against the run of play. Mahrez, that's a great ball. Walker's onside. It's cleared. Jesus! They're back in front. It's a sign of champions. A frustrating night it appeared, but Jesus delivers, and City are in front again. Otasowie, he's been caught by Rodri. Gundogan, Sterling, Mahrez! 21 wins in a row. Riyad Mahrez guarantees it. City 15 points clear. Just find a way to win, and City have found a way to win. Gundogan, good save by Rui Patricio. It's 4 now. No, the flag is up. But wait a minute, it does count. It is 4-1. What a night for City.